Hi developers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. My name is Kay Young. As you know, young forever. In today's video but before we get into a DIY, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like and share. And for my old subscribers, thank you for returning. Now let's get into our DIY. For my supplies are from Dollar Tree, and 2 items is from Big Lot. So I have this beautiful sign at the Dollar Tree, Love and XOX. You're gonna need 3, 5, you're gonna need 8 of them, because I'm making a flower box out of them, I guess. So you need 8 of them. You're also gonna need these XOX, and I mean guys, these are real simple. The hardest one is the box, huh? The hardest one from Dollar Tree is the box. These here, if you can see them. You're gonna need one of these if you decide to do anything like this. You'll also need one of these. I mean, these are gonna be real simple. I'm just gonna put it up and call it a day. I'm not gonna do any decoration or anything. And this one as well. You're also gonna need 2 of these. These Love Decor box. You're also gonna need some, these are the pearl wrap. Yeah, these are the pearl wrap in silver. I wish I could get the white, but we're gonna try the silver. You're also gonna need a charger. I find this beautiful red, and you know they come in red. I always see the silver, the gold, the rose gold. This is my first time seeing the red. I guess it's because Valentine. So you're gonna need one of that. You're also gonna need some, I took this from the box, but is the LED light, the love lights, and these one as well. I did go ahead and take one out of the box already. It's pink and white. See? You'll need 2 of that. You're also gonna need your red and white gem. I had some leftover red and white gem. And last but not least, you're gonna need, well, I don't think you're gonna find this one anymore. I found this at Big Lot. So we're going to paint, and as I said, I should get me my protection sheet. So I'm just gonna do the back, which the back not really necessary. I believe I want to put some flowers in it. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera, and I'll be right back, But you see, I only have 3. As I said, we're doing 8 of them. So I'm gonna finish these off camera, and I'll be right back. So I'm down to my last painting. I said I'm sorry, but sometimes okay, so I paint the back and I paint the front. Same thing for this one. I gotta finish up there, but it's drying. It's a little bit wet, so it's drying over here in the meantime. This one is dry. So all I'm doing is painting around the edge. Okay, so I finished painting. I sort of put them together. I haven't finished putting on the rhinestone and these and the other 3 that I finished paint, but just giving you an idea what my box is gonna look like. So this is my Love XOX box. So I did like vice versa. Here I have Love up top on the XOX, XOX up top here, and Love down the bottom. But I'm gonna finish it now. So this is what we look like. My box, my Valentine box. Now I need a bottom, so what I'm gonna do is get some popsicle sticks, and I'm just gonna put it on top. My popsicle sticks are from Walmart or Home Depot, I believe. I mean, the Dollar Tree sell too, but they're too small for my purpose, so I'm gonna glue these on. Okay, so we put some popsicle stick down the bottom. We're gonna get some foam board. Not foam board. We're gonna get some you know those jigger where they put in the thing there. Okay, that can work. Then we're going to get our roses. I got me some green moss here. And I'm just gonna put on top to cover the branches a little bit. And I was thinking I wanted to do some lights. Let's see, them have some of these beautiful love Valentine's light. Okay. So for my second DIY, I got my lamp boots, my leg boots, and we got some pearl wraps. So what I'm gonna do is measure around. I'm gonna measure around the lamp. And if you remember, first I said I was gonna use a silver, but I really wanted the white. I really wanted the white pearl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around, turn on my hot glue. For this one, you're gonna need your hot glue. So I'm gonna wrap it around and hot glue it. Okay, my divas, this is what my leg lamp looking like. Dollar Tree have these little rose bow looking thing. I love them. They're so beautiful. I was going to do a candle, but yeah, I said I'll do this rather, and then I light it up, and it's stinking cute. So I said all I did was go around and cut the pearl wrap. So I have what, like Frenches, that's what you call them? Yeah, and I did two. They are so cute. Okay, so here's the display. So this is the first DIY. It's my Love XOX box, flower box. So it's my Love XOX flower box. And this second DIY, it's my leg lamp. And then here is my third DIY. As I tell you, I wasn't doing nothing. I just hang them up and call it a day. I don't feel like doing anything with them, believe you me. But this is lovely. I love it, no? The love, and you hold the key to my heart, and you have the XOX. And then down here you have the leg lamp. And right here you have the basket. The box. Already. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment and tell me which one of these Valentine DIY you would try. And don't forget to turn the notification bell on, so each time I upload you will be the first to know. Until I see you in my next DIY, God bless and be safe.